Welcome. So today I want to show you some of my favorite accessories for the ZV-E10 Mark II. Now I'm going to have to do this slightly quieter because I've told the other half all these accessories came with the camera, and I've been hiding the credit card receipts and praying that she doesn't learn how to find them online. I'm also now worried that she'll find my YouTube channel and find this video, but hey, we'll have to wait and see. I could be in a lot of trouble for this. The first item I want to start with is the Elano battery charger. Now this allows you to charge 2 batteries inside of the charger. It also has a SD card slot storage as well included. Now this can be connected by USB-C to a PD 18-watt charger and will fast charge your batteries. When the batteries are in there, you can push on the button and it will show you the charge percent for the batteries within the case. This is good because it protects your batteries rather than throwing them loose into a bag. This little case will protect them from being damaged. It's a great little case. Now it does come in 2 forms. There is this one, which I have, and this one just comes as a case itself. You provide your own batteries. There is another version that comes with 2 batteries from Elano, and I personally stick with the Sony batteries only because in the past there have been issues with using third-party batteries in Sony cameras, but it is an option that's available. Also, they do a third option that's slightly bigger than this one, but it does come with a built-in power bank. So if you are out and about and you want to recharge your batteries while you're out and about, you can put them into the case and it will charge them for you. So a very handy accessory to have. Like I say, I chose to go for just the charger, but the other options are available. Okay, so my second item that I'd like to show you is my Sony remote control. Now, as a solo creator, this really is invaluable. As you can see, it's already on because I'm recording and it's notifying me I'm recording. I can do the zoom from this. I can change this to do the focus. I have switches on the side to change between focus and zoom. And also I can lock this control if I want. Now, I did have a third-party version of this control, but I found with the third-party version, one, I had trouble connecting it to the camera. It didn't always connect. And also, it wasn't very responsive when I tried doing things like zooming. It wasn't very responsive when it did it and tended to give a jutter on the zoom. So I've gone to the standard Sony one. Now this is more expensive than the third-party ones, but in my opinion, this little remote control is worth it. Now this is the box for the Sony, just so you can see on there the part number. It is the RMT P1BT, available from Sony or online retailers. So that is the one that I use along with my camera. The other item that I use, probably not considered much of an accessory but a necessity, is the Sony Tough memory cards. Now these can be a little bit more expensive than some of the other brands, but I find the reliability of the Sony cards to be good, and also the speed of the Sony cards covers all of the different ranges that I'd need to use on the camera. So I find this to be quite a good card, but like I say, there are third-party ones available that will do the job just as good and are slightly cheaper, or for around the same price you can get more memory, but that is just the one that I personally use. The other item that I use is a black diffusion filter. This is the K&F concept version. So this just helps with softening the image and giving it more of a cinematic look. If I remove the lens for you now, or I'll attempt to, and just to give you an idea of the difference. So this is without the black mist filter. We'll put this back on and then I'll also give you a side-by-side comparison. And this is with the filter back in place. Now, hopefully YouTube doesn't put on so much compression that you lose the effect of with and without the filter, but we will see. The other accessory I wanted to mention as well was the small rig cage that I use on my ZV-E10. Now, this cage allows me to add other accessories in, like a microphone and the screen to monitor what I'm recording on the top. Just makes it a little bit more flexible. It's easier to mount on the tripod. I do have a separate video on that cage build. I will link that at the end of this video. But this cage is not too expensive and does add a lot of benefit and protection to the camera. It protects the HDMI port if you are using an external monitor with the camera while recording. It has a little bracket that secures it. And it also extends the grip slightly and gives you more of a firmer feel on the grip of the camera. Like I say, I do have a video on that one that you can watch at the end of this video. I will link it for you. Hopefully this video has been useful. Please like and subscribe. It is free. Thank you for your time today, and I'll see you again soon in another video.